Is up, everybody? It has been a minute since I've done any video content, but Dom and I were talking, and we both thought that now was a good time for me to come back and do an unboxing of the Mondo 1/5 scale Battle Cat that I pre-ordered in November as a birthday present to myself, and it didn't ship until August 24th. I've had it in my possession now for a couple of weeks, and it just been waiting until I've had a chance to unbox this bad boy. It's fucking massive. Like, this thing is ridiculously huge, and it's got some weight to it. It's definitely heavy. The box, at least, is heavier than Miles. So let's I haven't torn into this yet. I've been waiting, and it's been bothering me. I have seen pictures on the internet. This thing is fucking gigantic. Which it should be, to be in scale with the Mondo figures. Shit, I should have had one of them here to go along, to coincide with this. Jesus Christ. Holy boy. This thing is gigantic. The box art is really cool, just like all the box art on the Mondo figures. Mondo really does a great job with packaging. So yeah, let's just keep going and see. Because I'm a fucking lunatic, Battle Cat's going to come out of the box, and then the box is going to go back in the plastic, back in the shipper, and I don't even understand how this thing is fucking gigantic. And it's a 1/6 scale, not a 1/5. My apologies. So, unlike the other Mondo releases that I've gotten, it doesn't have the flip-up window box, and it's packaged with styrofoam. Whereas the other ones are all in, like, plastic clamshells inside their box. Oop, that's a nice farting noise. It's like a fucking Russian nesting doll. And it's taped around. The styrofoam has Mondo's logo in the middle. You can't really see it. This thing is huge. Fucking huge. And I do not want to damage anything inside cutting the tape. You might see me have a heart attack on camera. Alright. He is packed in. Holy fuck. He is fucking huge. Like I said, I've seen other people with theirs on the internet and could tell that he was monstrous, but now seeing him in relation to myself, holy fuck, he's huge. He is gigantic. Lots of plastic in here. Many different heads. This is a real prize, in my opinion, is the little baby Cringer that he comes with. This is him in his, kitten-esque form before he became Battle Cat. And then he does have other heads that he comes with, so you could take his armor off and put him in full-grown Cringer mode. There's the Battle Cat without armor head. And then this one is actually... So the head that he comes with is pretty much your standard original Battle Cat helmet head. Which, you know, is fucking badass. Jaw moves to roar, but doesn't make a noise. You'd have to do it yourself, like roar. That was really fucking piss poor, but you get my drift. Getting him to stand is going to be a challenge, but I think I actually like this head the best, where you can see his face. So I think that is the one that I'm going to go with. And of course, Big Acai is calling right now, but they're just going to have to wait because I'm fucking playing with toys. And so I am going to put this head on Battle Cat. And if I could figure out how to work QuickTime, I would pause so I can go grab He-Man. But it looks like stopping is the only option. So let me do that. I shall be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I got the Mondo He-Man. And, whoa. As you can see, this fucking Battle Cat is fucking, I'm just going to keep saying it, is fucking gigantic. And getting him all of this plastic removed from his body is not as challenging as I thought it was going to be. I thought I was... the bracers are going to have to come off. God, he weighs so fucking much. Like, I cannot believe how girthy he is. How do these even... I'm going to have to take... This is a gigantic undertaking, and having all of... I need this space, guys. I need this space. Fucking A. Fucking A. His hind end feels very not sturdy. Feels like he should be wider in the ass end. I don't know. I don't. Getting him to stand the way that I think he should is going to... Oh, there we go. They're moving. There we go. All right. Much better. Much better. Oh, and they kind of... The backs don't. So afraid to take him apart and break him. But I've got to... Because these don't have straps, so to get them off... Oh, well, I got the head off, which is part of what I was going to need to do anyway. One piece of plastic. Bracer back on. What the fuck, balls? Okay. One paw. Oh. The front, the toes all move individually. Okay, so he's actually, for his size and compared to these guys, is not that difficult to take apart and put back together. I should not say that until all steps are completed, because As you can tell, I'm already having challenges now that I've brought that up. Alright, so now we've got one headless battle cat. Jesus, he's just so fucking big. I don't even... I was expecting him to be big. I wasn't expecting him to be this gigantic, but he is awesome. The tail fell off. Posing him is going to prove to be a challenge. And a spot for where to fucking put him. I mean, motherboard takes up an immense amount of space. And now Battle Cat does also. But Battle Cat is fucking awesome. I don't like that his head doesn't twist. So you're kind of limited into the posability. But I am... Whoop. We just... He's fucking huge. Fucking huge. This is a massive setup for these two figures. That is just gigantic. And for now, sorry, Agnostic Front and Grogu. Battle Cat, oh jeez, I don't even think he'll fit up there. Holy fuck. This thing's kind of terrifying to look at as far as ferocity, but I'm really stoked with him. I'm really stoked. I'm glad he's finally here, and I'm glad he's unboxed. Hopefully this didn't suck too bad. Make sure you check out all of Kevin's stuff. He's doing lots of John Cooper stuff right now, and we'll be back with the wrap-up to Crafter Jeff later this weekend. Till then, brat brat!